Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to dye your hair extensions back to all my black girls. I am using the Kinky Straight clip-ins today, but of course you can dye your hair on any of our ranges. And I am using the Cream of Nature Dark Jet Black hair dye. So it's just really simple. You follow the instructions and all the products you need comes inside the box except the little brush thing that you use to apply the hair dye on. So I'm just applying my gloves, as you definitely are going to get messy, so you will need your gloves. And I am opening up my lovely Kinky Straight clip-ins. This is in one bundle and oh my god, look at how full and beautiful this hair looks. It's just so amazing. I mean, it's definitely worth a buy. I mean, it's so full and so soft and so luscious, and I'm actually just dyeing it for a customer. So this is obviously a service that we offer as well. If you do want your hair dyed and you want to save yourself that bit of time, then make sure you contact us before you place your order. So in one bundle you get 1 5 clip-in, 1 4 clip-in, 1 3 clip-in, and 2 2 clip-ins. And depending on the look you desire, you may get away with just using one bundle. So I'm going to start off with just laying down one set of 5 clip-in. You want to do it one row at a time. You don't want to all bunch it up together because you want to make sure you get all the dye all throughout the hair, evenly distributed. So just following the instructions, it says 1, 2 and 3 on the bottle. You pour 2 into 1 and you mix it away. Oh, and of course, how can I forget to mention, you will 100% need a towel, otherwise it will get everywhere. So now I've got my brush. You will just evenly apply the bottle of dye all over the hair, but just make sure you have enough to distribute for the rest of the bundle. One box, to be honest, is more than enough for a bundle. You might be able to squeeze 2 bundles, but I would probably recommend getting another box. So I'm just applying it with the brush. The brush is quite straightforward. Just make sure you get all the corners and all the way to the top where the clips are, because you don't want to miss any part. And feel free to add as much as you feel is necessary until the hair is fully saturated in the hair dye. As you can see, I'm adding some hair dye on the top of the hair so I don't miss any corners. Feel free to use your hands as necessary, and if you don't need the brush, sometimes using your hand is just as good. Don't forget to flip the hair over so that you get all the whole entire weft filled with the hair dye. So I found that lifting the hair up and just using my hands to like finger comb it worked much easier for me, so that's also an alternative to using the brush. So the pack says you should leave it for no longer than half an hour. I would very highly advise you to follow the pack, because this hair takes the dye in 2 seconds. You start to see the colour changing. So it is human hair, it reacts and works exactly like your natural hair, so definitely follow the instructions. So I'm just rinsing it all out now. I've done everything section by section. Of course, follow the same instructions throughout the entire hair and just rinse it out with some lukewarm water. So as you can see, the water is black, but do not fret, the water will get lighter and lighter as you rinse it out. And if it doesn't completely come off, it's okay, because you're going to wash the hair again after you condition it. So as you can see, I do have a Kinky Curls texture hanging off my sink. It is just one of my spare hairs that I wanted to get darker, so just ignore that one. So as you can see, I am adding the conditioner. This is number 3 in the pack, and this is the final stage. And also make sure you don't add too much, because you never know if it's going to be enough. It's better to add more later on once you've done all of the hair one by one. So once I've conditioned all of them, I just leave it on the towel for 15 minutes so that it fully saturates, and then I rinse it out and we are done. Guys, look how little the shedding was. Hardly anything came out. Look, that is all the shedding you get from this hair. This is amazing quality, so you don't need to worry about shedding. Now I'm going to add the Frizz Ease by John Frieda, and it's just a little nice light oil that will help it to slick and not get too afro, because we're going to straighten it. And this is what the client wants. She wants it nice and straight. So this is the best for keeping the hair nice and silky and straight. Of course, you can use other light oils like argan oil and coconut oil. Oh, that condition done magic to this hair, because it is so soft. Guys, this hair is amazing. The comb is just sliding through it. It is not tangling whatsoever, and I love it. It generally does not tangle anyway, but I feel like that conditioner just gave it a bit of magic. Look at how luscious this hair looks. Look at how much body it's got, how much flowness. It looks so amazing. So I'm just leaving it out to dry, and I shall check back tomorrow. So the hair is all dry now. It looks absolutely amazing and soft and fluffy. Look at how luscious this hair is. The results are just perfect. The color is perfect. And look how thick the hair still remains. You know, the volume is not affected in any way, shape or form. The movement is not affected. That just tells you that whether you dye or bleach this hair, the quality remains the same. So I'm just brushing off the hair now, and look at how it's just gliding off the brush. I'm loving this hair even more now that it's dyed, and it's absolutely wonderful. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you visit toallmyblackgirls.com, and I hope I helped you in your journey to dyeing your hair.